Today we're in Fukuoka, on the island of Kyushu, where we're discovering the authentic taste of Japanese street food. What makes Fukuoka really popular are its open-air food stands. These are the famous Yatai.
We cannot leave the Yatai in a fixed place. We have a defined place, but we can only work from 5 p.m. to 4 a.m. with the authorization of the local administration.
There are dozens of the booths scattered across the city, but the best place to enjoy the typical atmosphere of Yatai is the southern end of Nakusu Island by the river in the middle of the city.
Yatai in Hakata started in 1945 after the Second World War, when there were no restaurants left to provide food for the people of Fukuoka. So that's how Yatai culture was born, to provide food for people. This is how it started.
Yatai provides seats for around 8 people and serve typical dishes like tempura, grilled chicken skewers called yakitori, and soups of every kind. Then there's the famous Hakata ramen, a local dish composed of noodles in a soup based on pork bones. Now it's my turn. I'm cooking my version of Hakata ramen. Mission accomplished.
Very good.
When the sun goes down, these streets are filled with people searching for the perfect taste in this magical atmosphere.